Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to make text transparent in Capcut. The process is simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is open your application. And after it opens, import your video in the Capcut by typing on this import icon. And you don't have to take this video to the timeline, because first we will add our text, which we want to make transparent. So in the Media tab, you can see the option library. Tap on it. Once you will tap on it, you can see a black screen, and if it's not in your Capcut, then you can simply download this black screen from the Pixabay or from the other website. And if you don't have access to these websites, then the best thing is download a black background and add it to Capcut and adjust the duration of it, like me after adjusting the duration of the black background. Now tap on this option text, and here choose your desired text, which you want to make transparent. I'll use this default, so I am tapping on it and will drag it to the timeline, and I will adjust the duration of the text according to the black background. In the right side, you can write your desired text after writing. If you want to add font, then tap on this option and choose your font. Now you can also make it bold by tapping on it and can add underline and make it italic. And this option is for making all the text capital. Arrange the size of the text as per your need. Once you have done all, take your mouse on the timeline and select both clips and do a right click of your mouse. And tap on the option Create Compound Clip. And you can see the compound clip has been created. And if I play the video, you can see the both clip has been combined together. Now tap on this option Media, which is on the right top. And in Media, tap on the option Local to import media. Now select your video and drag it to the timeline and paste it on the top of first one. Adjust the position of your video. The last thing you have to do is tap on your text and paste it on the top of your video. Once you have done all, tap on that text and take a look on the right side from here. You have to tap on this video. From here, scroll down, and the first thing is tap on this option Normal and tap on this screen. You can see the text is now transparent. Now adjust the capacity as per your need. Once you set is according to your need, play the video and have a final look of it. And you can see the text is now in transparent. So it was the primary way by which you can make text transparent. Capcut.